welcome back. This is Leena. It's summertime now, so today I'm going to show you this really simple summer makeup. So let's start now. So guys, it's summertime now and it's so hot outside. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply eyes on my face and then start my makeup. So I'm going to apply eyes, just rub it all over my face. I've applied eyes and it feels really nice and cold. So this is one thing that you should definitely do before you do your makeup during summer. Guys, after rubbing eyes on my face, I'm going to apply sunscreen. Sunscreen, guys, this is a day makeup, so I'm not going to be applying a primer. I'm directly going to start with concealing my face. Concealing all my blemishes with this MAC concealer. My shade is NC42. So I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Foundation is Infallible. My shade is 200 Golden Tan. This pink eyeshadow is from MASCARA and the shade is 0141. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. This LAKME ICONIC KAJAL on my lower waterline. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Maybelline FALSIES Push Up Drama Mascara. This MAC eyebrow pencil. My shade is called Spiked. Now I'm going to apply this VOB blush. Really neutral light shade. This Maybelline Dream Satin Skin face powder. It's really important to apply face powder during summer. So now I'm going to apply this HUDA Beauty's Liquid Matte Lipstick. This shade is 235. It's really good for summer, this shade. Look by just spraying some finishing spray. So guys, guys, this was my summer makeup. It was really simple and very easy. Do let me know if you've tried this makeup in the comment section below. And like this video. I will see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I've given you a lot of tips to how to take care of your skin during summer. But today I'm going to show you how to take care of your hair during summer. Guys, so the high humidity level during summer really damages your hair. So here are a few tips you all should definitely do during summer to take care of your hair. Tip number 1, always cover your hair with a scarf or a hat while you're traveling during summer. This will really protect your hair from the harmful UV rays. Tip number 2, tie your hair into a loose bun or a ponytail because this will help you to keep away from the sweat and your hair won't get damaged so much. So guys, tip number 3, don't wash your hair a lot of times. Just wash it about 2 to 3 times a week during summer. The essential oils in your hair will also protect you from damaging your hair during summer. Tip number 4, use aloe vera juice. So I'm just going to take a little bit of aloe vera juice and rub it in my palms, and I'm going to apply it only at the ends. So guys, as we all know, aloe vera is really good for your skin, but it works wonders for your hair. It really conditions your hair. So guys, tip number 5. This is an amazing hack. All you need to do is apply sunscreen. So once you've applied sunscreen all over your hands and face and body, just take a little bit of sunscreen. So once you've applied sunscreen on your hands and face and legs, just take a little bit of sunscreen and apply it on your ends. I know this tip sounds a little weird, but sunscreen, as it helps you protect your skin, it will also protect your hair from UV rays. So guys, these were my tips that will definitely help you protect your hair during summer. And if you have any other tips, do let me know in the comment section below. And like this video. I'll see you soon guys. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. Firstly, I wanted to show you my morning routine. I have just woken up and the first thing that I'm going to do is drink water. So I drink a lot of water in the morning. I don't have coffee or tea or any of that thing. So I'm going to drink a lot of water. So after drinking water, I wash my face. I'm just gonna go wash my face quickly and come back. So guys, I've just washed my face. After I've washed my face, I'm just gonna take a towel and then remove all the dead skin and everything, all the leftover makeup which was there from last night. Just slowly rub it, especially around your nose area. Once I've done that, so this is the toner that I use. This is from Himalaya. It's called Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. So now I'm going to apply this toner on my face. Guys, I've just applied my toner. I'm just going to let it stay for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll go have my juice quickly and be back. So I am back. This is the last step that I do usually in the morning. So guys, this is the Garnier White Complete Face Cream. It also has SPF 19. This is the last step that I do. I cleanse, I tone, I moisturize. I usually use the toner first because in the morning I want to get rid of all that leftover makeup, and then I use my face cream. Also, after applying it, massage it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So So guys, these are the really easy things that I do in the morning. I don't get much time. I am really getting late to go to work now. So I'll see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So you guys have requested me to show you how to remove tan. So this is like really simple. I know it's summertime now and your skin gets really tan during the season. So this is like an easy, very easy mask. You just need like 2 ingredients, and these ingredients are. So guys, you just need 2 ingredients, honey and papaya. So guys, what we're going to do is mash papaya. So once I've mashed this, I'm going to add honey to this. Apply it on your face. So I've applied this mixture. I'm going to let it stay for about 10 minutes and then wash my face. So guys, it's been 10 minutes now. I'm going to wash my face now. So guys, I'm back now, and papaya is really good to remove tan, and honey, as we all know, is really good for glowing skin. And this is my really easy face mask to remove face tan, and I hope it works. Do try this, let me know, and like this video. I will see you next time guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena, and it's summertime now. It's so hot outside. So coconut water is really good for health if you drink it, and also if you apply it on your face. Today I'm here to show you a really easy face mask using coconut water and multani mitti. So for this mask you need coconut water and multani mitti. So we have about 4 tablespoons of coconut water. Now I'm going to add multani mitti to this. We require a thick paste. And I'm just going to take a flat brush like this and mix it together. So this is the kind of consistency we need. I'm just going to apply it on my face now. I'm also going to use this headband so that it doesn't touch my hair. I'm going to apply it with a brush like this. This is a normal foundation brush. And also apply it on your neck. So I've just applied this on my face, and as you can see, it's a really thin paste because we've added more coconut water and it won't take much time to dry. So I'm just going to leave it for about 10 minutes and then wash my face. So it's dried now. I can hardly talk. I'm just going to wash my face and come back quickly. So guys, I've just washed my face, and I can see the difference. It's really good. Multani mitti is really good for glowing skin, and as you know, coconut water has a lot of benefits. Also, drink coconut water during summer. It's really good. It'll hydrate your skin as well. And I hope you like this video, and please try this and let me know, and I will see you soon guys. Bye. Morning. Firstly, I wanted to show you my morning routine. I have just woken up, and the first thing that I'm going to do is drink water. So I drink a lot of water in the morning. I don't have coffee or tea or any of that thing. So I'm going to drink a lot of water. So after drinking water, I wash my face. I'm just gonna go wash my face quickly and come back. So guys, I've just washed my face. After I've washed my face, I'm just gonna take a towel and then remove all the dead skin and everything, all the leftover makeup which was there from last night. Just slowly rub it, especially around your nose area. Once I've done that, so this is the toner that I use. This is from Himalaya. It's called Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. So now I'm going to apply this toner on my face. Guys, I've just applied my toner. I'm just going to let it stay for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll go have my juice quickly and be back. So I am back. This is the last step that I do usually in the morning. So guys, this is the Garnier White Complete Face Cream. It also has SPF 19. This is the last step that I do. I cleanse, I tone, I moisturize. I usually use the toner first because in the morning I want to get rid of all that leftover makeup, and then I use my face cream. Also, after applying it, massage it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, these are the really easy things that I do in the morning. I don't get much time. I am really getting late to go to work now. So I'll see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Veena. It is really important to apply a sunblock to protect your skin from these harsh sun rays. So today I'm going to show you my top 3 favorite sunblocks that I use, and one is for a combination skin, one's for oily skin, and one's for dry skin. So let me show you. So guys, the first one is, so guys, this is the Banana Boat Ultra Protect Sunscreen Lotion. It has SPF 30. This is really good for combination skin. So let me show you this. So guys, this is really nice and light. This is water resistant also, so you can apply this and go swimming. It is sweat proof also. So as I said, this is for combination skin. It's not too dry and it won't make your skin too oily also. So y'all can apply this during the day. Even if you're going out, it will stay for really long. So now my second one, the Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture. This is the sunscreen that I usually use during winters because my skin is really dry. And it has SPF 30 again. This is also non-sticky, water resistant. So guys, if you apply this, it has moisturizer. It will make your skin a little oily. That is why I told you it's good for dry skin, or you can use this during winters. It has a nice shine also. So this is the Nivea one. And now on to my third one. It's the NEUTROGENA Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It has SPF 50. So guys, this is a sunblock that I use during summers because it has SPF 50. This says it's non-sticky, and I think this is really good for people who have oily skin. It won't make your skin really oily, and it will protect you from sun. So guys, these are the sunscreens that I use. You all have asked me for this video. I hope I've answered all your questions. I've told you what all brands I use. So let me know if there are any other sunscreens that I should try for dry skin, and comment in the section below. And please like this video. I'll see you soon guys. Bye.